For this assignment, I've chosen MobiMax as the application. Um, so you can go to mobimax.com, and this is an application that is used in the public school. You can sign in as a teacher, as a student, as a parent. So I'm going to sign into my child's account. On MobiMax, they have a daily challenge that the students can complete when they sign in. So for today's daily challenge, they can do 6 problems in science and get 3 minutes of game time. So if they complete the 6 problems, they will earn 3 minutes of game time. Here is where they have the different subject areas that the students can work on. If we click on math, so the topic is adding and subtracting with unknowns. So this is what they're learning today, adding and subtracting with unknowns. So if you click here, there is the math problem, and it can even read the problem to you. So if we click here, what number makes the equation? So this reads the problem for the students so that they can complete it. So these are different subject areas. They have math, science, fact fluency, reading level assessment. So they have different things. So if we click on reading level assessment, so it tells them to focus out during this short test and see how much progress you have made in reading. So they can take assessments, reading assessments. Here is where the teachers can post assignments for the students to complete, but his teacher did not post any assignments for him. Here is where they can play games, they can enter contests, they can win sweepstakes. So if they go on games, so right now he has 3 minutes and 8 seconds of game. So as they complete activities, complete math, reading, different subjects, they earn time to play games. So right now he only has 3 minutes and 8 seconds of game time. And as we see the daily challenge, it shows if they complete the 6 science problems, they can earn 3 additional minutes of game time. So these are different games that they can play once they have the game time, the minutes to play the games. So here again, this is what they can earn, different things. They can earn certificate, badges, goals, and behavior vibes. My child favorite thing to earn are badges. He worked so hard to earn badges. So right now we have 67 badges. In order to get one badge, you have to complete 50. You have to answer 50 questions, 50 problems correctly. So he earned 67 badges so far, and he needs 41 more correct problems to earn his next badge. Today he earned this chess badge, and each badge gives you facts about the badge. So today, this chess badge, they give you facts about the chess badge. So it's very educational because the kids learn a lot of information, a lot of facts. So they learn about the polar bear, they give facts about the polar bear. So these are his badges that he earned. You can print them or create a PDF file. Okay, okay, here we go. Here they can also watch their progress. So it shows for science, his progress in science, the date and what he worked on and his score, how much he scored. So in math, it can show his math too, the date, the last time he worked in math and what topic he worked on and how much he scored. So they can even see a summary of the time, how much time they spent working in MobiMax each day. How much time they spend at home and how much time they spend at school. So these are some of the things that they can work on here. This is where the teacher can post announcements and tasks for the students and messages. The student can message the teacher too. They can send a message to the teacher as well as the teacher can send a message to the students. So we can from sign out as a student and we can sign in as a parent. So sign in as a parent is the same username as the student's username and password. It's the same thing. So here you can have an overview of all the subjects, how much time he spent on each subject for each day. So here you can see for January 8th, for math, he only spent 3 minutes. On Thursday, he spent 21 minutes in math, so it gave you a pie chart of the time spent in each subject. Over here, it shows the grade level progress. So he's in the second grade. So his grade level progress is at the 3.3 in 3.4 in math, because here you can see blue represent math. So he's at the 3.4 in math, and in language, as of October 20th, as of January 18th, he's at a 3.8 grade level progress in language. Here you can see the percentage of work completed. So they're color coded, so you know that fact fluency right here, he's at a 80%. Right here, the fry sight words, he's at a 30% right here. So the parents can track their students' progress, how well they're doing. Over right now, like I said, the overall statistic for current grade level, he's in the second grade and learning facility, he's at a 0.3 grades per year. Average time spent per day is 24 minutes. So that's in science. Over here is current grade level for math. He's at a 3.4 grade level in math. So he's doing really well in math. And how much time he spent working and the topics that he's done so far in the last 30 days. So it's showing the progress. So standards pass each month. Here it shows the standard and the overall grade level progress. And this is the grade level increase per month. So he's been going up. So it show each subject, you can look at each subject and see at what level your students is at. So for fact fluency, so these are the days he has practiced his addition, and right now he's at a 80%. And this shows the progress in addition that he's making. So I think this is a very good application because the parents can keep track of their students' work, how well they're doing, and the students have a lot of work that they can complete. They can communicate with the teacher so that the teacher know um, So if they don't understand something, they can even send a message to the teacher so that they can help them and respond to the messages. Because my son, when he had a problem with some a math problem that he was working on, he sent his teacher a message asking him to help him with the problem. So I hope you guys take advantage of this application because I would definitely use this application in my classroom. Thank you.